We know your time is really, really valuable, and we also know that humans have a really short attention span, and maybe you see that this video is a little bit longer than the time you're willing to give us. Just hang with us, I promise. We're gonna make it worth your while. Somewhere in this video, there is something special just for you, so keep watching. What's up, addicts? I'm Jamie, and this is Jana and Cami. I'm sure you know them if you've watched a lot of our videos. We wanna say thank you for all the support, all the love, all the messages that you've sent us. You may not know this, but YouTube does not allow us to monetize our videos because we use popular music. You may have also noticed that in some of our videos, we've tried to use royalty-free music. It's not quite the same. As you know, you can't sing along. The beats just aren't the same. They're not there. So we've made the decision that we're gonna stick to our roots and what makes the studio special and stick with popular music that you know and love. As thankful as we are for the YouTube platform, unfortunately, they're not the biggest fans of paying people money. They like to make the money themselves. The thing that sucks is that any video that we do have that's able to be monetized, it kind of gets shoved down and we don't get as many views because of the YouTube algorithm, which is a really, really big bummer for us. So it's almost impossible for us to make the amount of money from YouTube that we need to actually create the videos.
So we have come up with a solution that's not only going to benefit you, the YouTube subscribers, but it's going to allow us, the studio, to be able to provide amazing new content for you. We will be honest in that we didn't know anything about Patreon before this whole crazy adventure of the last year began. However, it has been brought up multiple times by you. And so after looking into that, we have created 3 tiers.
So the first tier is called Big Fan. It's only $2 a month. And basically, it is just you saying, hey, listen, I love your YouTube videos. You have done so much for me, and I'm gonna continue to watch your YouTube videos. I can only offer $2 a month, and it's my way of showing you a little bit of love. And that's like, I'm a big fan of yours, and here's a little bit of support. That's gonna help us continue to create lots and lots of content to keep putting out on YouTube for free for you. If you wanna level up, there is the second tier. It's $5 a month. It's called the Party Starter. And what you're gonna get with that is, on the first of every month, I'm going to upload a link to a live streamed class on YouTube that is not available to anyone else except for our patrons. That's you. $5, that's it. It could be a dance workout. It could be Jana's strength workout. It could even be a beats workout, which is the hip hop hit that you guys all love.
So the third tier is the Studio Addicts. Not only do you get everything that Jamie just said, on the 15th, you get a downloadable link. Do not have to have internet access. You can watch the video anytime. It is all yours forever and ever and ever.
And that's just $10 a month. So you do get the unlisted link and the link to download.
Now, if you want to take it up one level higher, all right, because that's what we do. We don't like to just stay where we are. We want to get better. We also want to remind you that at the studio, we film and release 3 workouts a week for our online subscribers. The Studio Online is $24.99 a month. And what that gets you is, like I said, 3 workouts of all different formats. Now, you've seen a lot of our dance fitness, you've seen some HIIT workouts online, but through our online subscription, you are gonna receive classes from instructors that you maybe haven't seen before on YouTube, maybe in a format that you haven't seen before on YouTube. It's basically the closest experience to being in the studio without being in the studio.
You also have access on the Studio Online to over 100 workouts on demand. So our goal when we created the studio and the Studio Online was that we would be able to offer more than just one format of fitness, which is what a lot of online subscriptions do. It's just dance fitness, or it's just yoga, or it's just strength training, or just HIIT. But we don't want people to have to pay for multiple subscriptions. So we decided that we would take the studio vibe, the lights, the music, the energy that you're gonna get from the instructors, the people, the positivity, and we're gonna insert that into every single class so that this is the only subscription you'll ever need. And I didn't even tell these girls before we filmed this, but What we have for you, if you see this video on YouTube, you can look in the description. You're gonna see links to Patreon. You're gonna see a link to sign up for the studio online. And you're also gonna see a promo code. It's YT50, so YouTube 50. You're gonna get 50% off your first 3 months subscription.
Oh, yay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Do it.
And 7-day free trial forever.
What?
I mean, really,
No excuse. No excuse.
that level 4, the studio online subscription is gonna be your best deal. We do realize a lot of people don't really love the idea of an online subscription, and that's why we have the option of Patreon and the online subscription.
So everything that we just discussed is all below. So any information you want, you can find it all down below. Also, we just cannot tell you how much all of your likes, your shares, your comments, how much they truly, truly mean to us. This whole entire place is all about positivity and all about sharing the love, and you guys sharing your love with us is incredible, and we thank you so much. Even if you can't do the $2, the $5, $10, or the $24.99, you sharing, liking, and giving us comments means the world. So thank you so much for all that you guys are giving us in return.
Now, one last little thing. Make sure to like and subscribe this video right here.
Tell us hi,
Yes.
where you're from.
Yes, tell us where you're from, and we love you so much. Now, get busy on the next workout video that I'm sure is being suggested somewhere around here, and get your sweat on. Rolling. So, we've come up with something to help. Oh, Austin, I thought you pointed at me.
You're doing good. We have provided an opportunity for you to join with us. Nope. Have to do that whole Patreon thing again? Yes. Okay, here we go.
Or could you just start with the we have 3 tiers? I bet you could start there because all that other stuff sounded good.
You see my armpit sweat? Look at this. You as subscribers have suggested this as an option for this solution that, nope. It's just getting worse.
So the first tier is called Big Fan. We're really excited about this opportunity to provide, no, we're not providing, they're providing.